Well, it's kind of dark out here, and this lighting is probably horrible, but it's like, I don't know, a little bit after 5 in the morning, and we're out here trying to get some Milky Way shots with the Factory Butte in the background. And I got me, and I got Chad over here. I don't know if you can see him, and he's
not getting a
shot now. Exposed. He's not getting a shot. See? And over here is Dave. He's so dark with his black jacket, trying to get some shots. So we'll see how this works out. But anyway, if I don't, yeah, there's Chad up to his normal. We just know that's Chad. So anyway, so here we are in the dark, trying to get some vlogging done. Oh, that's a pretty shot you got there, Chad. Anyway, so you'll get to see some Milky Way shots here in a minute. I don't know if you can see us. We're in the truck now, staying warm while the cameras are outside staying cool. Because in a few minutes, when a little bit of light hits the side of the Factory Butte, we're going to go back out and take some of the identical photos and then blend them together so you get a little bit of the Factory Butte, light on the Factory Butte, along with the Milky Way above it that we took a few minutes ago. So they'll be blended photographs, I hope. I hope they work. Is Chad asleep in the back? Is he asleep back there, yeah. Dave? Yeah. You haven't met Dave. This is Dave Perkins. He's invited us along on this trip today, so we're tickled to be riding along in his wonderfully warm, comfortable truck. So,
is my hair messed up?
Yes, your hair is a mess, but you know what? We're on a trip and it's okay. See you in a minute. Image number 1 was taken shortly after 6 a.m. with the camera pointed almost due south. The Factory Butte formation is silhouetted in the lower right. As you can see, some light is starting to appear on the horizon from the east. The very bright dot in the center is Jupiter, and the one slightly lower and left is Saturn. The camera was locked down so that image number 2 could be taken about a half hour later to get some light on the butte itself and the foreground, and then the 2 images blended together in Photoshop to provide this next image. I found a little bit different location here, and I don't know how it looks in the in this camera, and I don't even know if you can see me, but hopefully you can kind of see the background there. And I've got a shot here where I'm trying to get a few leading lines and some delicious foreground, but I don't know, we'll see how it works. As the sun comes up, I'm kind of hoping to get some maybe a sun star or something, because as you can see, the clouds are not really great. So I wish we had more clouds, but you know, you deal with what you deal with, so we'll see. It's been interesting to see this new angle here on the overlook. We're maybe a mile from where we normally come to, and it's very different than what we're used to seeing. So I've enjoyed it here. Through with lunch at Stan's Burger Bar in Hanksville. You can't come to Hanksville without going to Stan's Burger Bar. I think I told you that in the previous vlog. Chad was just bragging on some of the shots he got this morning. What did you get this morning that was exciting, Chad?
Milky Way.
Milky Way. What else?
And they have the overlook.
That's the scenic overlook, huh?
That's right.
What about our driver? Dave, what did you get excited this morning?
Milky Way.
There seems to be an echo in there. What else?
Factory Butte.
He's talking with his mouth full.
Yes.
Because he didn't get enough lunch. A Hank's burger wasn't enough for him, so he's over here eating.
Getting that bad taste out of my mouth.
Okay, well, let's see what's next on the docket. Wind's kind of picked up here, so you may hear lots of noise. I was going to show you live view what I'm seeing out there, but you're just going to have to look at it because there's too much reflection on there. But we took a little bit of a hike down here. We're in a beautiful area. I'll just kind of pan around, try to pan a little bit slowly so you can see what kind of area we're in. Gorgeous area. I'm shooting right into the sun there. Let's see if I shoot the other direction, if you can kind of get a feel for where we are. Excuse the tilt angle. But anyway, sunny day, but we are getting some clouds in the background now, and there's some leading lines, there's some S-curves, and of course, beautiful scenery. So let's see what we can pull out of this. Found another really nice composition here. What I like about that one is this little, almost a Q curve down there instead of just an S curve. Don't know what else to call it, but gives us some beautiful lines and then drops off into almost infinity out there. So wish I could show you in the back of the camera, but you'll see it in the still shot. It's been a great day down here in the Hanksville, Caneville, Factory Butte, whatever you want to call it area. We started out with the Milky Way this morning. Hopefully you got to see some Milky Way shots that worked out like we hoped they would. If you didn't see any, well, then they must have sucked. But if you did see some, hope you enjoyed them. And then we got some good drone footage, or at least I hope we got some good drone footage. We'll find out when we get home. Chad didn't bring his drone, so he didn't get any good drone footage. But let's see what he did get and let him tell you about his fun day. What'd you enjoy about the day, Chad? Who's hiding back there? That's all right, we'll still put it in the vlog. I don't mind.
We just had a good day. Everywhere we went, we got great pictures. There were clouds. We were fortunate we lucked out. And we're bone tired, so we're heading home.
Oh, I forgot to talk about the Hanks burger. We love the Hanks burger while we're eating it.
That was Chad's
Then
highlight.
it comes back to get us later, but it is good. But yeah, it comes back to get us. Dave, tell us about your day.
I think the Milky Way was my favorite part. I think I got a great shot there, and also the backside of the factory with the drone was another favorite part. I think we got some great shots.
Worth the day, huh?
Oh yeah.
All right. Well, this is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger,
Oh,
heading out. Leave us. What?
We're missing one of our parties not
Oh,
here.
we were hoping that Norm would be here. Look, I got him. You scratching your eyes or picking your nose? You're touching your face. Shame on you.
My eyes are tired.
I know, we were bone tired. Yeah, we missed Norm. Sorry, Norm. Anyway, so this is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger. Leave us a comment. Have you ever been to this part of the country? If not, why not? No, a lot of you are too far away, but would you like to come to this part of the country? It's a beautiful area. So leave me a comment, click that like, hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and until then, or until the next time, keep on keeping on.